Hello, Ben 10 Omniverse fans. Tonight we're going to draw Ditto from... You already know what I was talking about. Ditto is one of the Omnitrix's newest aliens. I guess it was from the original series. And the chances are of you drawing this guy is basically, I guess 100%. I don't give a crud on what we're drawing on how much progress you guys are drawing this.
What if smartphones were more than just smart? The all-new Google Pixel 6 makes distractions instantly disappear with the most advanced smartphone camera yet. Google Pixel 6.
You guys will rank in your favor and how strong you think they are compared to others. And you'd be surprised as to what you find on today's video. So without wasting any more time, give this video a like if you like the concept of fusion and would like to see more fusion.
By the way, I got this internship for the sound seller.
Let's take a look at 25 of the craziest fusions you will probably ever come across in Dragon Ball.
You're strong.
And man, I'm getting good at this stuff.
Why seek even greater power? Who the hell are you? Don't hide from me. Show me power befitting an emperor. Anything else defiles the very title you hold. I wouldn't do that if I were you. You do not have what it takes, and you never will. You irritate me. Are you finished? No one can beat me. No one! I was wrong to expect a challenge from the so-called legendary Super Saiyan. That's enough! Yes, the two of us both seek that which lies beyond strength. I will end this quickly. This is for my father. You never stood a chance. Don't you see? Neither you nor your father can best me. I'm the strongest there is. The greatest. Behold, my power. You lose. I will not lose. If this is your best, then you are no emperor to me. Finished already. Your inflated sense of self shows. Every attack reeks of arrogance. You fight without conviction or purpose. Sleep now, warrior. You're strong. I'm not impressed in the slightest. The fight is over. Admit it.
So this is the power beyond that of a god. I definitely got a taste of just how amazing it is in our fight.
Even with the power of a god, you can still do little more than assist me.
I could have handled this on my own, to be honest. Was all that ultimate android garbage just hot air?
Remember this. I am you in the form of a true god.
So you're the legendary assassin from Universe 6. You have some skill, I'll grant you that.
I'm surprised to see the god of destruction from Universe 7 helping you. Did Champa ask you to do that?
What exactly do you think your fusion accomplishes? Your power? It is still
And
worthless
finished.
to me. You would do well to remember your
That's how you draw Ditto from Ben 10 Omniverse.
You think you're the legendary Super Saiyan?
You want to see more fusions like that? You want to see more aliens like this?
Dr. Giroux's order.
I'd be happy to show you after I'm done. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Stegosaurus, see you later.
God of destruction.